Okay, what's on the bench today? This was sent into the channel by Retevis. They send me all their new radios. This is their C2. It's just a GMRS radio, 30 band, 30 channels, all the standard stuff. You know, there's not much to say about these radios. They're just GMRS radios. This one has noise reduction, which I'll demo in a bit here. But the radio itself is a nicer display.
Analog 1.
I hate the voice, but
Analog 30.
yeah, there you go.
Analog 1.
All right. So anyway, it's got it's a dual bander, or not dual bander. It's a single band, right? It's 460 megahertz, but it's got 2 channels. And if you hit this button, you're transmitting on the top, and if you're the top number there, and if you push the bottom, let's see, if you push this bottom button, you're transmitting on that frequency. So that frequency or that frequency. And then you can swap the two, of course. It says main or main. So the main is this button, and then the secondary is this button. It has a built-in flashlight. Oh, uh-oh. It has a built-in alarm. I'm trying to remember how to turn off. I did a long press. So yeah, there we go. Okay, that's built-in alarm. You can program these 2 buttons to do anything you want, so I might get rid of that long press. I like it. Oh, so anyway, yeah, GMRS radio. Like I said, the display is a little nicer than their last model, I think. It still kind of has crude fonts and stuff. They could still improve on it, I think, a bit, but in general, it's okay. But most of the time, you're not looking at the display. You're just talking on the thing. So it's got a indicator. It's got USB-C, which you can use to either that's just used for charging. I don't think you can program through that one. It comes with the one I got came with a programming cable that goes into the normal headset jack over there. Let's see here, it's popped the battery out. It has 2,000 milliamp hour, 14.8 watt hours. So pretty healthy battery. It's, water sealed, so you can take it out in the rain. And it's just one of the slidey things. You put it back on. It comes with a drop-in charger. I need to go back in my office and get all the other accessories it comes with it. I'll show you what comes with it. But it comes with a drop-in charger. It comes with a clip. It comes with the things, the antenna is not locked down with a set screw. It just screws in and out. So you want to put something different on there. It's easy to do. Yeah. So let me show you the noise reduction first, since that's kind of the selling feature of this thing. So one of the claims to fame in this radio is the noise reduction. Okay, it has a chip in it for noise reduction. So I'm going to see if I can demo that here, see if you can hear it.
There may be other issues across weather.gov/MTR as well.
Can you hear the static on that?
The radio station KEC 49. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz.
Okay, so I'm going to turn on the noise reduction here. Let's turn that off. Turn off the weather. Go into the menu. We will turn on. So there's 10 levels of noise reduction that you can set here on menu item 2. I have it set to the max right now, so we'll just turn on the noise reduction. Okay, and then we'll go back to the weather station.
Mostly cloudy. A chance of snow showers. A slight chance of showers in the afternoon. Snow level above 5,000 feet. Highs from the 30s to mid-40s.
So I think you can hear, I hope it comes across in the audio. It's super, super clean. It gets rid of all of that background static and everything. It does add a little bit of distortion to the voice. I have it on level 10. So let's go ahead and put it on, let's say, level 5, and we'll see how it sounds. Let's see here. Menu, audio, level. Yeah, it's at 10. Let's set it to 5. Let's try that out. Level 5. Okay, there we go. We'll go back to weather.
Per hour until midnight, becoming light. For Tuesday, mostly sunny.
So I know it's probably hard for you guys to hear. I hear a little bit of the static on the release of his carrier.
Northwest around 5 miles per hour in the afternoon. And on Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows from the
But it's very, very subtle. Let's go back, just so you remember. Let's go back. Oops. Let's go back and turn off the, turned on scan. Let's go back and just turn off noise reduction. Record, play, oh jeez. It's got a recorder built in too. I'm just trying, oh, I did a long press. All right, short press. Audio. Audio. Who's that guy who says audio in Germany? Let's see here. Okay, let's turn noise reduction off. There we go. And let's see here, we'll go back to the, oops, turn on the scan again. There we go, weather.
A chance of showers. Highs from the 50s to lower 60s Friday night and Saturday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers.
Yeah, so the noise reduction is great. It's a really nice feature. So that's one of the reasons to get this radio. So before I'm going to test the radio, I'm going to go into and program it. You can download this from Retevis, a C2 program, and I don't know why they do this. Please don't do this. Please don't do this. But anyway, they put a whole bunch of tones and codes and stuff into the every single channel, and so I'm going to go through all of the channels, and I'm going to put in the none for all of the tones. Put in none so it'll receive and transmit anything. Okay, let's turn the radio on. Let's do a transmit test first. Analog 2. How about analog 1? Okay, let's do a transmit on channel 1. We're getting 5.14 watts. Oh, it just dropped, so it turns down a little bit. It had a high charge on the battery. Drops down to about 4.8 watts. That's good. Channel 8 should be... Channel 8 should be the low. The laws say that this one has to be low power. There we go, 0.54. Okay, let's go to receive. Let's do a, let's see, what's the frequency here? 467.5625 megahertz. Oh, there we go. We're getting a tone. And if I change the amplitude down to where it can't read anymore. So it's breaking squelch about minus 118 dBm, minus 118 dBm, which is in microvolts, 1/4 of a microvolt, 0.25 microvolts. Yeah, about 2.25 microvolts. There you go. You know, I've done a bunch of reviews of radios, and one of the comments I always get is, you didn't even use the thing. You know, it's a radio, just turn it on and off. Anyway, here's some actual conversation I had with the radio. Code 2, do you read?
IMSAI guy, this is IMSAI girl. I read you.
Oh, very, very good. What's the weather like in your neighborhood?
Weather is crystal clear. It is a clear 74 degrees outside.
All right, thank you, IMSAI girl. All right, yes, it's a radio. It works. Actually, you know, IMSAI girl's voice was pretty clean. I do like the noise reduction thing, so yeah, there you go. Let's go ahead and show you what comes with the with the thing when you buy it. You get the radio, like I said, the antenna, the strap that I put on, battery, programming cable, instruction manual. Comes with a little clippy thing. The screws are on the back here, so that attaches there. Comes with a drop-in charger. Makes contacts here. Comes with a charging cable and a USB thing. So you can either charge it by dropping it in, or you can charge it with the USB cable. It does not come with a little cheapy headset microphone thing. No, it doesn't come with that. Otherwise, you get everything else. All right, well, there you go. My quick review of the Retevis C2 two-way radio.